Offroad Diaries. My name is Jonathan. My wife Krista is about to come outside with me. And I just wanted to start the day off and show you guys from the top of Banshee Hill. Check out that view, guys. I hope you can see it. I think you can see it. That's the freaking ocean, man. We haven't done a ton of riding, which makes me kind of sad. I mean, I have done some. I did so much, I think, in St. Anthony's that I'm not like itching for it as much. I still want to rip, obviously, but there's just been so many things happening with, there's been so many things going on, so many events and partying and having fun and rock and roll bingo, and yeah, so I hope you're having a blast, guys. This is at least watching this series with UTV Takeover. This is the final day of Takeover. I don't know if we'll stay tonight or we'll start heading back home tonight, but Huckfest is today at 4. I'm going to go pick up Krista, and I just wanted to come to the top of the hill for a second and stare at that beautiful ocean. There's a lot of things in the ocean. I know you guys can't see them. Are they surfers? Oh, I think people are kayaking. Is that boats? I don't know what it is. Anyways, so let's go and enjoy the day, guys. Let's go pick up baby Miles and Krista and come putt around. I want to take him to the top of here so he can see the ocean.
Grab bars. Dang bird. How come you didn't give us grab bars on the Mayo here? Could use those with the baby.
We retrieved the package.
I am the package with the baby.
He's all strapped in tight.
He's a spicy little turkey right now because he is a little sleepy. So as soon as this Pro R starts up, he's gonna be out like a light.
Yeah, out like a light. He's an awesome kid, guys. But the last 2 days, he sounded like a chupacabra.
I just want to tell baby Miles really quick that this is your first time seeing the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah.
And you're seeping. Someday you're gonna be big enough that you're gonna go back and watch this, and you was just seeping right through it.
Right there.
We just took it. These awesome people that live locally. He took a picture for us so we can remember this moment, and it was a really good picture. So if you ever see this, thank you for getting that for us. It was awesome.
Yeah, I wanted to bring baby Miles up and Krista up to Banshee because I feel bad. She hasn't really had a chance to ride much, and we haven't had any of our friends really here to even watch it for a second for her to go for a ride. So, yeah, it's, I just wanted her to come see it, how pretty it was. I came over here a second ago and I said good morning to you guys, and I was like, oh, baby Miles and Krista need to see the ocean for a second. So, Huckfest is about to start. We're gonna roam down. Pardon my lack of energy. I had a long night and a short morning.
He slept till 11:30, so a short morning, my butt.
Yeah, I think.
But look how beautiful this is, you guys. It's the fog, all the fog cleared up, so it's nice and clear, and there's some waves down there, some boats out fishing, but so I love the ocean. I am an ocean girl. I love water, and this just is so peaceful. I love it. The trees, everything, gosh, it's so beautiful.
To everybody that has reached out to me about going for a ride and everything else, I'm so sorry. I've been trying to do a lot of the recording and a lot of just like there's so much more than just pressing record, like behind the scenes that happens, and I've been trying to keep my whole invasion and takeover trip organized. So it's just a lot. So I apologize, guys, if I wasn't able to meet up with you and go out for a ride, and I appreciate you guys reaching out to me for that. I'm running out of time. Let's go down to Huckfest. Let's see what's happening down there. Let's get set up and ready for the show.
Also, I'm gonna drop a picture in here of, so I don't wanna undress Miles right now. It's a little breezy and chilly, but Miles is wearing one of his Whiskey Throttle onesies that Jaden made for him for the baby shower. She made him a whole bunch of like custom little onesies. So of course in Huckfest fashion, because our Whiskey Throttle fam are Huckfesters champions, he is repping Whiskey Throttle School District today, and his little snail onesie. I'm gonna drop the picture in there so you guys can see how cute he is. Go to whiskeythrottlesd.com, buy some merch, support our friends. That's that.
Let's go to Huckfest, guys.
Okay, guys, we made it over here to the Huckfest Hill, and we got quite a few cars lined up. A lot of spectators, people are pulling in. We got about 20-ish minutes or so before it starts. Looks like I see Savage Sage in the very front. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, maybe 12, 15-ish cars hucking. So beautiful this is. Look how, I just love these trees, and it's so green and pretty. We got some hawks flying up above, some hawktuas flying in the sky. So we're gonna get set up. We got the drone, we got the Nikon, and we're gonna watch some Huckfest. Baby Miles is still sleeping. He's gonna miss out his. It's over here. He's just tucked in there. He's gonna miss his first Huckfest. So, all right, guys, let's enjoy some hucking.
By now you guys realize that we're at Huckfest. We made it to Huckfest. These guys are sending it. We're in the third round now. I'm trying to fly the drone, and Chris has got the DSLR, and then yeah, it's just a lot's happening. So we haven't had a chance to talk, but the NAs and the turbos are both jumping at the same time. Yeah, so right now Brandon's leading. There's another guy in a Pro R that just jumped, and he did like 126 feet. Brandon's got the record right now with 129. He's over there. I don't know if y'all can see her or not. This is one of my favorite events. Check this crowd out, guys. There are a lot of people here. Yeah, so it's going down. It's fun. Alright guys, just bought a cool sweatshirt from these guys over here at Utv Offroad. They got some really cool stuff. Super nice guy. The owner's name's Mario. All this is UV protected. They just started this business out of their own house, and they got a lot of cool jerseys. I just bought a sweatshirt, that one. Maybe go to their store. It's www.vivooffroad.com. Buy something for yourself. Super nice family. What Vivo means is to be alive. So, and they said that basically they started their brand because they feel like they're alive when they're off-road, and I like that because I feel like I'm alive when I'm off-road. Got baby Miles. What's up, guys? How y'all feeling? What's going on over here?
Honestly,
are we getting new tires?
we're getting some new shoes.
Yeah, you need some new shoes on this thing, man.
All right.
Oh yeah, you'll like this setup, man. They're
So it's either that or the bead lock.
I mean, personally, you can never go wrong with having beadlocks in the sand.
Yeah.
Like, that's my opinion.
Yeah.
Because, in case you're wondering, this is my buddy Tony's dad. We've met each other and we've
Rick,
become
right?
Yes.
Rick.
Yes. Hi there.
We partied together last night, had quite the night. Woke up feeling fantastic. I'm live.
Those look good though. They look good.
Where are you going with my wife? Apparently Sage just stole my wife. He's graduated from the 1-seater and now he's in a 2-seater, but he downgraded to a 200. I think my wife wants some milkshake. I guess I'll walk over there.
Alright y'all, that is a wrap. We got the girls all loaded up. Jonathan's finishing with some rafting there. It's time to hit the road. Thank you guys so much for being part of the Off-Road Diaries family. We have had such a great time the last 2 weeks hitting up these events. Thank you everyone in UTV Takeover, all of our friends that work so hard and do so much to put on such a successful event for everybody. Sorry, I had to come inside. Big Mouse is not happy. So, don't forget to check out the description below if you haven't already. Support the friends that support us and take good care of us. We want to take good care of them, and they're all amazing human beings. Well, that's a wrap, guys. UTV Takeover, Winchester Bay. It was so much fun. It was so great catching up with some amazing human beings. Again, all of the crew that work with UTV Takeover that make such an awesome event happen. Like, y'all are rock stars, seriously. And we appreciate you guys so much. You can see the mist hazing in. We're hitting the road, guys. It's time to head back home. We'll catch you in the next diary entry.
Bye everybody, see you in Utah. Goodbye everybody, I'll see you in Utah.
Goodbye. We'll see y'all in Utah.
Bye, see you in Utah. Bye, see you in Utah. Bye, see you in Utah.
Brown Falcon out. See y'all in Utah.
Bye, brother. See you in Utah.
Goodbye. See you guys in Utah. Takeover.
Goodbye. See you in Utah.
See you in